Another session of Python tutorials. In these Python tutorials, we are going to see about more in detail about the variables. Previously, one lecture we already talked about the variables, but in today's lecture, we are going to discuss in more depth in concepts of the variables. So let's start our session. Today we will be having more fun with I'm using another thing called IDLE because we have in the Python so many options, right? IDLE is also there. You see the white interface. Whether still now in the previous lecture I have been used the command prompt. So mm, because of that I have the different interfaces. Today I am using the another interface called IDLE software. So let's get into our sessions. Start our session. Suppose I have been created in variable called num, which is of like 10. So whenever a variable is created, it has particular address. So when you want to know the address of any that variable, so you need to specify the variable called num. It is a standard library function which is included in the software of Python. So when you are using id and in the place of round brackets, if you specify the variable name, you will get particular address name. That variable, it is address. You don't know whether different variables having different locations. Suppose I am creating num variable. So for that particular variable num, I have a separate address. So if I specify the same id in that address, I'm storing the variable 10, right? So if I specify that same address, right? Because num is a variable that is assigned to 10, correct, right? So num is having same address and the variable also having same address. So suppose if I take another variable a equals to 12, okay? If I want to know the id, it means what is the address present, what is the address of variable 12, that holding value of 12, correct, right? That holding. So it is having different row. So if I assign some variable b equals to a, so what if I want to know the address of b, whether it would be same or it would be different? First let us print value. A value is 12. Let print b are also having same value. So what we want the address of a, address of e is same as in the previously, as in the previously it is mentioned. So same value. So now if I having same b, b having, right? So what is the address id of b? It means address, right? So if I take address, this is same thing. It means for a variable 12, a and b, both variables are assigning. It means for a variable 12, we have two variables a and b. So suppose in the future I maybe take k value as 12. So if I want to know the value of, or else idea of that k, so because this variable is k is 12, so it is already having 12 which is assigned to a and b. If you want to know the address, it will be stored in the same, because Python is, this is the advantage of Python, memory usage. It means it will not create multiple addresses, because same way address, it means same value is holding three different variables. So for all of these three variables, it will be allocated only one memory, because of there may be memory savage will be occurring, correct, right? So in this case, it will be assigned. So suppose I am assigning another value to a, okay? So if I want to know the what is id, correct, right? If I want to know what is the value of this one, I newly assigned, right? If I want to know, so you can clearly notice that a is having id 768, but when I assign to new variable, so it is pointing to another variable. It means that the value will be changed, correct, right? So similarly, I'll assign variable b also. So what if I want to know value idea of that particular b? So I'll get the different one, right? So but here, so I will assign k for k also different, and I'm taking idea of that k. So this one also different. But initially for a, three values is three variables is pointing to a. But here all are reflected. It means all the variables are assigned to different well. So all three variables leaves b, but a value will be that value 12 will be there itself. So that 12 value is automatically taken by garbage value. That will be talking in the future lecture. Don't about think so many about this. Just remind things. Okay. So that garbage functions are that garbage values we are going to discuss in the future lecture. Don't worry about that. Okay, next. We'll see another thing. So fortunately we will take pi. Everyone are aware of this one, right? We cannot change this value, but our intention is in this one we want to change the value. Suppose if I make the variable pi equals to 3.15, can I change it? Yes, my intention is to change the value. That's it, right? So we can change the values. And if you want to know the type of function in the first and foremost lecture when you are discussing the basic operators concepts, I have been discussed what is the type function, right? Type function will be tells the what is the type. Type means data type. Is data types are so many. We have int, float. We have so many data types, right? That we are going to see in the next session. Till now, take care and revise everything. Do your best. Thank you for watching.